Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel Geeks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a date picker in Excel using Office add-ins. This is a great tool for making date entry quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, we need to access the Office add-in store. This is where we can find the date picker add-in. Go to the Developer tab and click on Add-ins. Type mini calendar and date picker in the search bar and press enter. Once you find it, click Add to install the add-in to your Excel. Now let's see how it works. Click on the date picker and select a date from the calendar that pops up. The selected date will automatically be entered into the cell. And there you go. The date is now entered into the cell, making date entry quick and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully added a date picker to your Excel worksheet using an Office add-in. This tool makes date entry so much easier and helps to ensure accuracy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Excel Geeks for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.